now. Get puppies. Come on. You always like to sit and watch, don't you, Bubba? You just like to sit and watch everyone else, don't you? Hey, Wadwick. Oh, Judith. You old softy. You do know he definitely doesn't need that, don't you? Should have done the same as I did yesterday. Rave. She can't hear you, babe. Good girl, Raves. So I've evicted the puppies again, and I need to muck out. I've had a lazy day, but then I didn't have a good night because my wrist is really bad and it kept waking me up. So I'd like turn over in my sleep onto my bad wrist side, and then it was waking me up, and then that happened like half a dozen times. Gee, why are you letting him? You haven't got anything. So I just wrecked. So I did like morning jobs, slept for a couple of hours, and then I've spent half hour out in the field with the big dogs. You know, doing this job. Washing machine, the bottom was blocked. So unblocked that and put washing in. Hey, Raves! Papa Duppers! Papa Duppers! So we've got quite a bit of interest at the minute in the remaining puppies, but we haven't got people properly confirming. So potentially 1 puppy left, potentially 3. It's kind of where we're at the minute. Oh, Judy, I'm surprised you let him. Oh, Whiskey, the gate's open. You gotta go round, Bubba. Whiskey, the gate's open, baby boy. Come on, Whiskey. Hey, we're done. Oh, God. Right, Sproutlet. Get your little tail going, you nutter. Yeah, I think Hella's coming over and we're going to take the puppies out for a little drive. It's easier in her car because her boot has got like a lip, so it's easy to get them in and out, and you're not risking shutting paws and tails in heads in the boot door.